In this lecture, I will cover date and time functions. The first function is a today function. This function displays system date. Now function displays system date as well as time. Now we will see in the Excel, write equal to, then today. This function displays system date. This date is same as shown on the taskbar. The date is in the format of month, then date, then year. Here I am writing now function. It displays system date as well as time. The time is in the 24 hours format. I can change it. Go to the, I can click over here, or time. It's only showing the time, so I'm changing the, go to the number format. It open this format cell tab. I'm going to the journal, it's not showing. I'm going to time, and you can choose any of these options. I'm selecting this one. This is the 12 hours format. Now we are going to display system time. System time, there is no function as such available. To display the system time, we have to subtract today function from now function, then it would display the system time. The another is a date function. This function converts a number in Excel date format. This is the syntax. Similarly, we have time function. It converts a date number in a time format. This is the, now I am subtracting. I'm writing today, then now function. I think it's wrong. It will give the minus. I'm changing it. First one is a now function, then minus, then today function. It will give the answer in positive. Time is always in numerical, so I'm converting its format. It is in this 11:22. Now I'm going to use date function. This is the date. I'm writing just numbers. This is the 1990, and month is 12 and day is 23. It will write in the date format. Similarly for time, this is hour. I'm taking 9 hours, 56 minutes and 30 seconds. I can change its format also. Go to this, click over here. It will show the exact time. This is the day function, month function and year function. This day function will extract the day from the given date. Similarly for month and year. This is the hour, minute and second function. Hour function extract the hour from the given time. Similarly for minute and seconds. Here I am applying the day function. This is the day. I am selecting the C46. This is my system date. It will give 29. Similarly for month, I can give any date by in a double quotes. It will give 9. Now I'm applying time. Clicking over this one, it will give, oops, this is the wrong function. It should be hour. This is the 9 hours. Similarly, we can go for minute and second. This is the weekday. This function returns day number of the week. It ranges from 1 to 7. 1 is for Sunday. The another is, I want to display the weekday. In this case, I will use the text function. This is the weekday. I can click over here. This is the serial number. I am choosing the date, this one, and close it. It will return 6, means it's a Friday. Now I want to convert this number into day. Here I will choose the text function. This is the value. Here I will choose the format. For this I have to use 4 times D's in a double quotes. It will show the Friday. If I choose the 3 D's, it will show the Friday but in a short form, that is a FRI. If I choose the 2 D's, it will show 06, that's a number. If I choose the single D, it will show the only 6. If I am not writing any D, it will give the syntax error or error in the formula. This I have shown. I can add days to a given date, and this shows the days between 2 dates. Click over here. I'm adding plus 10. It automatically change the year. This is the 2018. This is the 29th December. Now I'm showing the number of days between these 2 dates. Select this one, minus C46. It will give 10 days. These are all about the date and time functions.